welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kylie Jenner Stormy Eyeshadow Palette and doing a sort of a first impressions on the palette along with swatches and a quick makeup look and overall review of the palette. So I'll show you guys how I get her boxes. They come like this. They're in a pink, beautiful box, and they do come very well packaged. So this is how the inside of the packaging looks. You do get a card with a message from her, and you do come in with your packing slip. So, and along with the eyeshadow palette. So it's very well packed. So I'll kind of read you the card, and she says, see, it's really cute. It says, "Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Love, Kylie Lynn." Very cute. Yes, very, I like this. And so it was packaged like this, and sort of a wrap, which is good. And guys, look at the packaging. It is so cute. It's beautiful. It's embossed with some glitter on it, cute butterflies. I like the pink light pastel color on the packaging. Her name, well, the lettering is sort of like foiled, so that's really pretty. It does come with the names on the back, which is good. So let's go ahead. Oh, look at this. The packaging on the inside has cute little butterflies. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. So she made this in reference to her baby. That is so adorable. And the names on the eyeshadows is 443. I don't know what that means. I wonder if that's the time her baby was born. Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm, Angel on Earth, oh, Stormy Weather, Love Without Limits, Stormy World, Baby Girl, and Foreverthing. Those are such cute names. It's perfect for a little baby girl. So yeah, look at this packaging, guys. It's so pretty. And you can definitely tell there was some time that was put into the design, which I like. I really appreciate that. Again, the names are in the back. So this palette, I got it from the Kylie Jenner website, and the palette is for $28 currently. It also does come with the collection bundle, which is for $108, but I didn't want the whole collection. I just wanted the eyeshadow palette, and I got this for $28. I believe the shipping was like $7 and some change. So it seems to be about the average on some of the majority of the shipping costs for cosmetics. So I think it's reasonable. So the eyeshadow palette has 9 eyeshadows. So I'll kind of read what they're describing the eyeshadows. So the 4.43 is a metallic champagne. The Butterfly Babe is a metallic warm pink. Perfect Storm is a matte mauve taupe. Angel on Earth is a matte muted coral. Stormy Weather is a metallic antique gold with warm glitter. Love Without Limits, that one's a matte with matte rich raspberry. Sorry. Stormy World is a metallic soft purple with gold flip. Baby Girl is a matte dusty lavender, and Foreverthing is a matte soft cool brown. So I'll give you guys a glimpse of the palette so you guys can see, and I'll show you some swatches as well. So as you can see, the palette does have the names there, very nicely foiled right underneath the shades. Very beautiful. Colors are nice and vibrant, pastel-y looking. Very cute. Yeah. So, I'll do some swatches for you, do the quick makeup look, and then let you know what I thought on the performance of the eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see that, stick around. So yeah. So I'm ready. Let's go. So this one is 4.43 Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm. So I'll kind of swatch them here. And these look really nice. Pigmented for sure. Okay, so moving on to Angel on Earth, Stormy Weather, Love Without Limits. Very beautiful as well. Okay, so the last three are Stormy World, Baby Girl, Forever Thing. Very pigmented as well. So they look more like pastel-y, medium tone colors, I think, in my opinion. The good thing is that, yeah, there's enough pigmentation to actually kind of build up. But we'll see how they perform in the quick makeup look. Okay, so the colors I will be using are Angel on Earth, Baby Girl, Perfect Storm, and Love Without Limits. So Angel on Earth will be transition color, Perfect Storm transition color, Baby Girl will be the lid color, and Love Without Limits will be the outer corner color. And this one is Perfect Storm. And then I'll go in with Angel on Earth, which is orangey. So now I'll go in with Baby Girl on the lid. It's really pretty. I'll kind of pack in a bit more. And then I'm going in with Love Without Limits on the outer corner. Really packing that in the crease. Now I'm blending out the outer transition color on the edges. Just to make sure there's no harsh lines. So now I'm going in with Brulee on the eyebrow bone from MAC. And then I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so I am back with the completed look, and I have to say, I like how the palette performed. I like how this look came out. I think it came out beautiful. I'll give you guys a closer look at it so you guys can see the colors up front. So yeah, the eyeshadows performed very well, very blendable, buildable. There is a little bit of fallout on some of the eyeshadows, but you know, it comes with many of the eyeshadow palettes already. All I really care is that as long as the eyeshadow color that's in the pan shows on my eyelids, it's exactly like that, and it did do that. It displays the colors very well, and they're very buildable. So if you want them darker or lighter, however you want them, you can do that. So yeah, I think they came out very nice. I like how this look came out. So yeah, would I recommend it? Definitely yes. So that concludes the video. Feel free to look down in my description. I did put a couple of reference to other videos, which I think if you're into beauty like I am, you might want to check out the videos down there. And then if you did like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell so you can be notified of other upcoming videos. And I do load videos weekly, so you will be getting fresh new videos every week. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you soon in a different video. Thank you. Bye.